in the Saxon.
Okay guys, good evening. My name is Eric and welcome to another episode of Parrot English. And tonight I'm going to talk about the kernel of the Bible, chapter 7. And the chapter 7 is about the harvest, the chosen place, and the release of the Spirit. In order to eat Christ, have the solid food, have the produce of the good land, we must firstly have a harvest. The Lord has given us the land and the seed, and the rain is coming. However, He cannot give us a harvest. For this, we need to do the work of farming. Otherwise, we cannot grow Christ, and there will be no harvest. We have seen the manna comes all together from the Lord's side. He gives it, we gather it, and eat it. The eating of the solid food of the good land, however, is different. Although the seed and the land has been given, and although the rain has been promised, there will be no harvest unless we work the land. The necessity of the harvest. It is the last stage of eating, the eating of the solid food in the good land that constitutes the genuine worship of God. If we do not have a harvest, we not only have nothing to eat, but also nothing with which to worship our God. Both our daily living and our worship of God depend upon eating the harvest. Therefore, the harvest is crucial. We must farm the land and grow Christ, that we may have a harvest. Eating the thief in God's chosen place. To have the harvest is simply to have something to eat. We do not yet have the way to eat it. Thus, after we have reached the harvest, we must still learn how to eat the produce according to our natural concept. Once we have the harvest, we may eat it in any way, at any place, at any time we choose. Okay guys, this was all for tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to continue watching more videos about me, you only have to subscribe for more videos every Thursday, because now I'm uploading a new video every Thursday. See you next Thursdays. This was Parrot English. Bye bye.